Hello friends and welcome back to my channel. This is CA Lovely Bhagat. As discussed in my earlier video that the expected date of CA Foundation result December 2021 will be the third week of February 2022. Along with that, today I am going to discuss about important details regarding CA Foundation result December 2021 like statement of marks of December 2021 CA Foundation exam, pass with distinction, verification procedure of CA Foundation December 2021 answer sheet, application process for CA Foundation result 2021 verification, CA Foundation December 2021 inspection of certified copies, and the reason for withheld of result. Before proceeding further in this video, there is a request for you to please subscribe to my channel, which will ultimately motivate me to make useful videos for you guys. So let's start with the video. First point is statement of marks. CA Foundation December 2021 statement of marks will be sent by post soon after the declaration of result. However, in case you do not receive your mark sheet within 30 to 45 days from the date of declaration of result, then please write to examhelp@ici.in. Next point will be CA Foundation rank December 2021. In accordance with CA Foundation guidance note by ICAI for December 2021 examination, there will be no merit list declared. That means CA Institute has discontinued declaration of rank holders in CA Foundation level examination. Next point is pass with distinction. CA Foundation candidates securing a minimum of 70% marks will be declared pass with distinction, and such remark will be indicated in the result card only. Next will be verification procedure of CA Foundation December 2021 answer sheets. In case if you are not satisfied with your result, then you can apply for verification of marks. The correction window is open for 1 month after the result date, and you can apply within that period only. And in case there is a revaluation of the marks during the verification of result, then your verification fees will also be refunded. Next point, we are going to discuss about application process for CA Foundation result 2021 verification. To apply for verification, you have to simply write an application to ICAI duly signed by you, and also send this to ICAI with the requisite fees. In that application, you have to mention your name, roll number, student registration number, mention paper or papers in which you want to revalue, examination name, that is CA Foundation, month and year of the exam, that is December 2021, your address for communication. Also to be noted that do not write mobile numbers or email address or landline numbers in your application form. Next, we are going to discuss about inspection of certified copies of CA Foundation December 2021. If any student wants to inspect their answer sheet, then they can apply online or offline after the declaration of CA Foundation result within 1 month from the result date, with an application fees of ₹500. Also to be noted that in any situation, no fees for the inspection of certified copies shall be refunded. And in case students finds any problem, then they can send an email to foundation_examhelpline@ici.in. Next, we are going to discuss about the reasons for withheld of result. There are some reasons for which the ICAI can withhold the student's result. The reasons such as if a student does not meet the eligibility criteria or have not submitted the required documents which were needed for the evidence, or the candidates who are involved in some unfair activities of the CA Foundation exam. So friends, I hope this video is helpful for you. If yes, then please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Till then, all the best for your results.